We are visiting IKEA to test their discounts and loyalty program, IKEA Family. Is it good or not?
The IKEA Family loyalty program gives you 200 points when you sign up, and for every €1 you spend, you get 5 points. These points can be used to get discounts on future IKEA purchases. When you collect 3,000 points, you can get a €10 discount on your next purchase. If you have 7,500 points, you can get a €30 discount. And with 25,000 points, you can get a discount of €220. We also mentioned that being an IKEA family member may entitle you to special prices on certain IKEA products. You can identify these special prices by looking for blue IKEA family labels in the store or online. However, it seems like we are having trouble finding items with these special prices. To obtain IKEA family card in store, customers are required to complete their IKEA family profile, which includes providing their full name, email address, and residential address.
Salmon, fish and schnitzel, it's all €23. And we earn 120 points. Then we convert to something useful, yeah? To get benefits from IKEA, we would like to register it IKEA.com Cyprus. Do not have account yet? Yes, we do not have it. Create account and fill your name and surname here and your email, and you get a password. We found your IKEA family card, this number, and we will merge it with your IKEA account. Okay, I'm not a robot. Complete registration. Thank you for your registration. One final step remains. You will receive an email in order to activate your IKEA account. Yes, we get one. Your email confirmation was successful. Okay, let's find our bonuses and points. We have a number of points here. 1025. Last transactions we have here 120 points. Start shopping. Sales right now and offers. Okay.